This is our little Voodoo that we're attempting to rescue. Oops! She's a sweet little kitty. I brought that box out earlier, put her food bowl in the back, and I'm hoping to catch her soon so we can take better care of her. She'll only let me get just so close. Haven't been able to pet her yet. Just been trying to go slow and win her trust. Right now she acts like a real contented little kitty.